Hello everybody. So this is a mini assembly video. No awards in this time around. Don't worry, it'll be next week. So I hadn't received any talent spot submissions until last night at 10 p.m. I received one. So I'm quickly putting this together. So in this video, you are going to see Julie from grade 2 singing to us. And then I'm handing it over to Ms Jaclyn, who has a challenge for the whole school. Are you a chef? Do you like cooking? I know I'm not a brilliant cook, but I think I might just participate in this shark chef challenge that she has got going. But watch her video. It'll be soon after Julie has sung for us. All right. Firstly, huge congratulations to you all. You did a super job with our IB inspection. So good, in fact, that we broke a record. It usually takes 5 to 6 weeks after IB has visited a school to let us know whether we've got it or we don't have it. And you know what? It wasn't even 4 hours, and they already told us, we got it. So well done. Thank you, moms, dads, teachers, and students for working together and making sure that we are now officially an IB World School. So we have it for PYP, we have it for MYP, and we have been approved for DP, and we will have our first DP students next year. All right, I'm keeping quiet. I'm going to say goodbye. Have a lovely weekend. Listen to Julie, followed by Ms Jaclyn, and then you will know what to do. Bye.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel lost? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive? Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now? Atlantis, under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The monster's running wild inside of me. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost, I'm faded.
Hi boys and girls. Gosh, we've missed seeing your faces. Now, we've all spent a lot of time at home, and so I'm sure we've been cooking up a storm in our kitchens. Now, we would like you to share all those wonderful recipes with us. On the 28th and 29th of June, we will be doing a little bit of a Shark Chef Challenge. Are you going to be a risk taker and take part? Right, watch this space. More news to follow. See you soon. Bye.